Good morning. We are live. It's Friday. It is quad witching. It is OPEX expiration. We can get some nice volatility today as there will be a contract for all of us, both on futures and options. Yep. The market dropped quite a lot overnight. We can see that up here. Pretty decent drop. Well, that's just in 7. We go here. Yes, on the hourly, right? Since last night. Continue dropping. A big push up yesterday. Back down to where we started. And then we now just dropped. And we are below the pivot point S1. Below the S2 on the Fibonacci pivot points. Looks like we are finding some support there also. Coming into here, double top range. So let's see if we can. Do I have any bigger shots than that? I don't. Not only minute. Do I have? Well, we just have to zoom out quite a bit because this can this create another? No. Did not create the pattern potential I was looking for. This to me now. It's looking like a massive just consolidation is what it looks like after we had a bigger drop, right? We could potentially say like, yeah, we are something like this and we are starting to break out of that. And that is a valid, very valid bear flag on a bigger picture. Like we dropped massively, consolidated into a bearish continuation pattern. That we are now, looks like we're breaking out of. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But that is something definitely to pay attention to. If that happens, we have a lot more downside. Take that out of there. That doesn't give it too much on this one. I'm aware of that bearish, bigger picture bearish pattern. Other than that, yeah, we've pretty much been bearish since 7 a.m. Central Time. It's not that much happening. We are staying below the moving average. We are below the pivot points. So, yeah, let's see what happens at market open. I'm going to try to make some money regardless of what price does. But yeah, thinking more downside is what I'm thinking. We'll see what pattern develops. Of course, with moves like this, all the cycles are in the bottom. That is just to be expected. That doesn't mean that price will cycle right now. In a strong trend, the cycles will point down. That's just how they work. They will always point down in a strong downtrend. Yeah, let's put on some music. How are we doing on our account? Take profit trader account that we're working on. I would say we're doing quite good. So far, the account started at 50k. We are at 51,220 in cash value. Just taking small profits. 2 days for about $500 profit and 2 days for about right above 100, something like that. Completed 4 trading days on it. Yeah, we still got a bit to go. 1,780, but we're shipping away slowly. This is not a sprint, this is a marathon. What we want is consistently green every day. Don't need to go for a big gains, because then the losses will be equally as big and then we just blow you out completely. We don't want that. We want consistent green. For now, I have no pattern to enter on. I'm just gonna sit there and wait like a shark. Or wait like a sniper, waiting for its target to be in perfect position. Let me pull the trigger, get a quick profit, and then get out of here. That's the plan for today. Something flashed over my screen there. I was opening trading view on another screen, a screen next to it. I don't think I have it open as a scene, but yeah, let me just try get in. You can see I open this. I like to have this up. I'm gonna just put up SPY is what I'm gonna have on this one. I like to see how SPY is performing. Yeah, I could do the ES futures. I mean, I don't trade SPY. If I were to trade it, I would trade the ES futures. But I like to have SPY. Sometimes I track dark pool prints on it to see like where big money came in. And we are below all the money that came in before FOMC. And that was big money. That is another indication that we're going down. Correlates with that bigger picture bear flag that we saw. Like there was a lot of money coming in. I also know the dark side of Traders of Wall Street. On FOMC, he was calling for large upside on SPY, saying it will hit at least 600 range or for the next 5 to 7 days. This would now be it would now be on day 2 of that. He has about 3 to 5 days left for him to hit SPY at 600, or his followers will be bagged. Yeah, I used to be a member of his Discord. Not something I'm happy of. I did not gain much from that. Lost a lot of money in his Discord. Wasted a lot of time. He did not teach me how to trade. Said he knows how to read the algos, but he don't. One thing we have to look out for here, of course, like is, can we get like a double bottom? The thing is, we had a double bottom here, right? A little bit more. Are we coming down, getting like a triple bottom effect? Maybe. The problem I have with a pattern like that, right? You know, I like the W's, but there are certain things that need to be in place for W to really be considered good. And if I draw this, really, you want the top of that W to hit the 38% retrace. We are barely hitting 23. If this creates a double bottom, triple bottom thing for a potential W push up, this will be a shitty W. That's the problem I have with this pattern. That's why I really don't like it. There is like signifying like you want to go back up. I don't see that kind of aggressiveness down here. It just tells me that the buyers are not really buying. That's what it tells me. So I'm thinking bigger picture, probably more down. I don't know. I mean, I could be wrong. I'm fine being wrong as long as I make money on a move. Okay, market is open. We're getting a push. We are getting a little push, and I like it. So what will... I mean, there was really nothing for me to enter on pre-market here. Well, I guess on a pre-market, I would have had like this would have been a short, right? Short scalp. Would have been a nice short scalp. We'll see what happened here. It looks like we're ripping pretty good though. Since bottom, 100 and almost 120 handles, probably gonna get more. So I'm really curious now about this S1. What price action do we see around this one? This is really, if we get more downside, it's a really healthy test on S1. Really healthy to test that. Create a bear flag there would be a very nice pattern down. So, what do we get here? I'm taking it short. Come on, give me something. Give me something. I may lose my ass here. I feel like my short stop is a little bit small here, but I also don't want to give up my whole account. Yay, I got something. $210 on a quick scalp. Haha, nice. I'm happy. I am happy. I'm very happy. Very nice. Very good trade. First trade of the day. You see, I never know if these flags are going to work or not. So I try to take quick profits. Like if I was trading 2 contracts, I would take one off and I let one run. But with only one contract, I can't let my only contract be a runner. So I have 2 options, right? I can then either trade NQ and just accept the fact I don't have runners, or I can go to M and Q and I can trade like, instead of trading, I could trade 10 M and Q, and then I could like take, I could take 5 or 6 off there and let, you know, 4 or 5 run. That is one option to do it. And in this case, right, because we are still at we're still inside a 5-minute opening range, or 5-minute ORB candle being created. Yep, we are. And you don't really know how that, you have no idea how that candle behaves. Right? In this case, there was a tiny little bit, but this flag that I was looking for didn't work, but I still made money on it. And that's all that matters. I made money. Yeah. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna be cautious on long trades right now. Have to be cautious on long trades just from if we get a powerful reversal, like powerful, let me start ripping, there will be continuation patterns, there will be bull flags. We will see the MACD. See here, like on the hourly, MACD is just strengthening up. Like it's not closing, it's opening up more, indicating hourly time frame. It's strong bearish momentum. The same thing on 15, starting to slow, but they're still open up, wide open. I don't like going again, taking trades that goes against a wide open MACD. That is just careful territory. Careful. 5 minutes, starting to close, which is nice, which is good to see. We'll see what actually happens there. I need to see at least 15 showing signs of closing. Yeah, this looks like more downside to me. Looks like more downside. But I'm gonna sit on my hands right now. Going to sit on my hands for right now. I don't have a pattern to take this on. We'll see what happens. The thing is, when it's quad witching, just my experience, patterns still work good, but not as good as they normally do. And this is the day where if you're not careful, you may start distrusting your patterns. So we'll see what happens. Am I happy with if all I get is $210 for the day? Absolutely I am. Absolutely I am. Low and steady. I'm not competing against anyone. I am here to make some money, document the process, and I'm testing the waters to see if I can do this under the added pressure of doing it live, showing my trades. That's what I'm doing. I find myself trading significantly better, or at least executing better when I don't live stream, because it adds a lot of pressure. But it's also good to add extra pressure, increase like level up. And that's how I grow. So, what do we get there? Potential bear flag. So, thing is now, we also have to pay attention. We also have a little double bottom there now. And could this be a double? And now, this thing actually qualifies, right? Because we went above the 38%. So here, now we could get, I mean, it's extremely, oh, that was the wrong. That said, it is extremely dirty for it, right? You have to go, and the reason why I'm going to say this is not going to work, because we only have this really on a lower time frame. We don't have this on a bigger time frame, and that means that this is a smaller time frame move, and I don't anticipate a smaller time frame move to push up like 200 handles. That is a pretty big ask. I mean, it could happen. And this is trading, anything can happen. You get some push, yeah, but I am not looking here for a double pattern for that, no. But we have two touches down here at the close, yeah, at the 600 level. That could be a level. Like, well, it could be. We know every round 100 level, right, is something to pay attention to. You can expect reaction just because it's a mental level. And mental levels are what they are. You see the form there. At this 700, it was a tiny reaction. There was no real much bias there. It was a little bit profit taking happening there. And we continued down another 100 points, 100 handles. Just gotta sit and wait. Just gotta be patient. Like a sniper. Waiting for a bullseye. In the end, your realized P&L after commissions, that's the only thing that matters. Did you go green for the day? Did you go red? It's the only thing that matters. What you want is consistent green. If someone produces green day after day after day, they're good. The trading style may not be for you. The way I trade may not be for you. And that's the thing. Trading is very personal, very individual. Someone can be wildly, hugely profitable and teach you exactly how they trade. And you trying to trade that, you still lose money. That is how trading is, because it's so emotional. It is so mentally taxing. It takes a lot of practice in order to handle it. Yeah, so this may be and end up becoming the only trade I have. So I'm just capturing a little screenshot of the P&L here. Gonna post it to a friend of mine. So what are we getting here? Was that a bull flag? Yes, it was. Take it really quick. Poor execution. Poor execution. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Poor execution. Poor execution. Come on. Keep pushing. Yes, we got it. We nailed it. We nailed it. Okay, I'm gonna update my P&L. That was it for me today. I don't think I'm gonna get any more trades in. Yep, that is it. I am very happy. 2 out of 2 trades today. $375 into the Eval account. I am not going to trade anymore. I'll be on for another few minutes, you know, just to watch what happens there. But yeah, I'm going to call it a 9 a.m. Central. I am based in Texas. So yeah, super happy how this played out. That's what I'm saying. You just gotta find something that works where you consistently take money from the market. That is all that matters. That is the only thing that matters. Yeah, super happy with how that trade worked out. But the thing is, you can say like, oh, I should not have sold, I should have held. So you gotta understand, my target here was this S1. That's where I was thinking price is gonna hit this. Chance of price hitting this is good. Yeah, there's still a good chance its price is gonna continue and hit VWAP. If I had a runner, I would not sell everything here. I would leave runner for going up here. But I would, yeah, with one contract, I can't do that. I have to just close at T1 or target 1. And with one contract, when I take an entry here, that was poor execution. Well, really, I wanted it here, right? This is where I wanted it, down here. But it kind of popped a little bit on me from what I wanted to buy until all of us pushed through. Getting up here, and whatever push down there, that's not gonna make me feel so good, right? Because this bullflag stop really should have been down here. That's a nasty stop. That would have put me deep in the red. So, especially only going here, right? So I can't then let price go to where my T1 is and then not take it, and then potentially go into area where like now there's a lesser chance that we're gonna push up here. Yeah, there's still a more than 50% chance that we're gonna hit that. But for T1, target 1, that is bread and butter trade. That is just a daily moneymaker. This is the extra. And yeah, here you see how quickly we drop when like we got close. This is close enough in my opinion. We're off by 9 handles from this line. That's within the acceptable range considering where we're coming from. Like, yeah, you need to have like a percentage calculated, like you hit inside of this, you're good enough, right? And then you gotta be ready to just close it out. If you're starting to see any form of weakness inside that area, you just take your profit.
Then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm not gonna be tempted to trade anymore. So I'm just gonna close down the stream. You know, go enjoy my day. That's what this is about, right? We trade so we can enjoy your day. You guys have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. It is quad witching. Take care.